No matter if you're a beginner in real estate, you don't know where to start, if you're someone who's been struggling, trying to find attempts on breaking through the barriers of real estate investing. And then for my future planners, we even give you a step-by-step process of not only how to start, but also execute or getting your first property within 90 days. The benefit of the REI90 program is, my tagline is, we help you eliminate the guesswork. No matter if you're a beginner in real estate, you don't know where to start, we point you in the right direction or the starting point. If you're someone who's been struggling, trying to find attempts on breaking through the barriers of real estate investing, we show you how to mitigate the pitfalls and what to look out for and how to mitigate your risk when going into real estate. One of the biggest concerns most people have who are those strugglers in real estate investing or getting started in real estate investing is they don't have the money. We even show you how to get the money to get involved in real estate investing. And then for my future planners, those individuals who say, you know what, Will, you say G, I'll say O, and I'm ready. We even give you a step-by-step process of not only how to start, but also execute or getting your first property within 90 days. But see, because I believe in delivering in a level of abundance, I'm going to even give you access to my resources. So I'm even going to eliminate the guesswork of who you need to contact. So this way you also mitigate getting jammed up in a real estate deal. For example, did you know a lot of people who are new to real estate investing, one of the biggest mistakes they make is not utilizing a title company or a home inspector? See, just missing one of those two steps can put you in an extremely bad financial situation on your real estate investing journey. We not only give you the information on how to leverage those key individuals in your process, but also to ensure that you find the one that is going to be right on your journey. So the type of home inspector you use for a residential property wouldn't be the same you would use for an investment property. Within the REI90, we not only help you eliminate the guesswork, we give you access to the resources, but more importantly, we teach you how to run a real estate investing business. See, when you don't take something seriously or professionally, you will always skip steps and start operating out of desperation. So the main benefit is that we're going to help you to eliminate your guesswork. We're going to help you mitigate your risk. And more importantly, we're going to ensure that you get a result, which is your first investment property.